Hey guys, so this is just going to be a quick, hopefully a quick video on how to install a screen protector on the S24 Ultra. So this is just a standard screen protector from Amazon. It's a fairly cheap one. It is the glass shaped ones. So they are, for the most part, they're fine, but sometimes they do crack around the edges, especially the S23 and S22 ones, where because the screen was curved you'd get a crack on the edge there. So hopefully this doesn't happen with this. So and then I've got 3 in the pack here, so obviously if I mess it up I can redo. I'll just use the sort of soft pouch thing that comes with the screen protector as a sort of I don't want to scratch the back, you see. So in this pack I've got the probably going to be microfiber cloth dust removal stickers and alcoholic cleaning wipes. So we'll start with the alcohol cleaning wipes, because that will make sure there's no sort of residue. So I'm just going to go over this like so, and that's fine. And then I'm going to go over the screen with this. The dog barking, unfortunately, so it's not too happy. And then after this, what we'll do is we're going to go over and use the sticker. So the stickers are here, and this is just one of the steps. Essentially you go over and you go over the entire phone all the way to the edges with this. What this will do is this will pick up any dust that might sort of fall on the screen while, so it is a bit difficult to do this and see dust. Try my best. Sometimes when you angle yourself and look at the screen from an angle, you can get a better view of you know, what dust there is. So this is the S24 Ultra, and then all we do is we place the aligner tool on here like that. Perfect. And then we're going to go, and this is the screen protector. We're just going to peel this off here, and then we're just going to align it from the top and then just place it on the screen like that. And then I can just about see a line where it's adhering to the screen. So you just have to sort of encourage it. If it's not, you know, if it's not equally going down that way like that, you just have to sort of encourage it by pushing down like I am here. And then you just need to, I'm going to take the aligner off at this point, and then it's sorted itself out. And then now I'm just going to use this cloth again just to wipe over the side like so. And I've got 3, well I've got 2 more, so if I don't like how this fits I can try again 2 more times. You can see if I just focus on here, you can see it's aligned pretty good. That's the and there isn't too much dust on there. I do have, I wonder if the camera will pick this up, but there's a speck of dust right there in the middle of the screen. Sorry, right there in the middle of the picture there, but it's on the edge of the screen here, so I don't really mind that. And obviously if I wanted to, I could go ahead and do it again, but I think I'll just leave it as it is. So this was just a quick look at how to install a screen protector on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one.